Hello, this is Adam Hewison, and we're coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and we're doing something a little bit different today. I think you may enjoy this. We're actually going to be showing you part of Market Club, but let's begin. I think you'll catch on pretty quickly what we're doing. So here we are. This is my homepage on Market Club right here, and we're doing this on at 3 o'clock on the 29th, January 29th. One more trading day for the month. And we're looking at gold here. This is gold, and here's the cash prices, which we do real time, which is really recorded real time. 906.56, up $22.82 so far today. Markets come back very strong, and I want to show you some of the things that we can do, and a very important rule that we've talked about several times before in the past, but I want to emphasize this is a rule you can actually use intraday as well as on daily, weekly, and monthly charts. So I'm going to take everything off the screen. Like that, I'm going to choose our gold chart. Okay, so we're looking at a strong move up in gold here. We saw a little pullback here, but I want to change this to an intraday chart, and I'm going to show you this rule that I think is very, very cool. So going to a 15-minute chart on gold. Now some people will have time to do this, others people won't, but the important thing here is to show you how the rule works. So let's take this off the screen, all the studies we have, and as you can see, based on this movement starting around 9:15 this morning, we sort of started seeing this market move up. Okay, but why did it come down to this level here? What was so significant about this level to then turn it back up? And this is what I want to show you. I want to take everything off the screen. I want to pull this out, and this is so easy to do with Market Club. And these charts are Market Club charts, by the way. These are not anything other than I would be using anyway, but take it out a little bit further. And this is what I want to show you. And that's the Fibonacci rule. We've talked about this before. You're going to see this on our web and on our blog. But here's the tool you want to use. You'll go here, and you click on this point. You click on the very highest point, which is right there. Then you go to the lowest recent low, and you see how this market has just came back into a support zone. What it is basically, Fibonacci is, this is a 38% retracement right here. Okay, the next one is 50%, and the last one is 62%. As you can see, we obviously hit these levels, the 50% level, and usually it's a very good sign. Now this is an intraday chart. How would it know that it got to a 50% level and had this huge move up here today? Well, first of all, the overall trend for this market, according to our trend analysis, is positive. And the other thing that we can do is this, basically you can draw a line here, and you can draw a line here, and you see how these areas hit, and you got back to this 50%, almost at 62%, then you had the strong rally up, breaking through this line to the upside, a continuation pattern to the upside. Now, you could say, okay, Adam, I'm just taking a great example. There's nothing else like this. Well, let's take a look. These are intraday charts. So let's take a look. And here it is. This is a 15-minute spot gold chart. These are real-time charts. So when you're a member of Market Club, you get these real-time. So I'm going to take everything off the screen. So just remember this 50% rule. So 38, 50, 62. Off the screen. I'm going to go out a little further. Take everything off the screen. Take the studies off the screen. Go out a little further. And I'm going to put in another Fibonacci number. So here we go. Clicking on the top here. On the bottom there. And you see, again, let's get a little closer. Again, there's the 38% line right here. You got the 50% here, and then the 62% here, this line here. But look at the 50% line. Look at how you sort of nailed this. You had an opportunity to buy these on a pullback from this level. So you're measuring from this top or this top, doesn't really make a lot of difference, but you're close to the pullbacks that coming back to 50% pullbacks, then the market starts to go back up. And the same with here, we had a 50% pullback. And the market started to go back up. So again, these are, okay, let's try one more. We'll go out a little further, take this off the screen. So we've shown you so far this example here, that's about 50%. This example here, about 50%. And we're going to show you this next example, which is right here. And let's see how that works out. So let's take everything off the screen again. And we're going to get our Fibonacci tool. Click here, down there. Now you see, there's the high, there's we measure from the low, there's the pullback to 50%, and this is 62%. So it's pulled back every time, gold's pulled back every time to these Fibonacci numbers. That is quite amazing to me. I don't know why this works. I wish I did, but it doesn't. It's not going to make me any more money knowing that how it works. The important thing is this has been a proven winner for years and years and years. I've been using it for well over 30 years, and I know traders who have been around for longer than I have, and some who have passed on basically have used this rule. It's a great rule. It does make money, and it's a way to enter the market on a pullback like this, like this, like this. It's a way to get into a bull market on a pullback. So again, these markets always have pullbacks, and the key thing is to be able to take advantage of them. So there you have it. You have an option of buying on the pullbacks, and again, this is a very dynamic market. It looks as though we're going to, if we close up here for the week, which is tomorrow, this is obviously, we're doing this on the 29th, which is Thursday at 3 o'clock. So I think there's a lot to be said for getting along gold and riding up. We're looking for this market to move over $1,000 an ounce. So I think it's a good move. The risk now would be if the market came down, obviously took this level out, then we would be completely wrong in our analysis, but I'm not sure we're going to see that happen. This is Adam Hewison for Market Club. Thanks for watching. Every success.
Hello, and thanks for stopping by. My name is Adam Hewison. I hope you enjoyed the video that you just watched, and I hope you learned something from it. That's the key thing, is to learn how to become a better trader. You must look at videos and use all the tools you can get, and that's our whole mission at Market Club, and that is to teach you, to show you how to become a better trader. And we do that through the use of videos. We also do it through the use of our very cool technology called Trade Triangles, which we'll tell you all about. But today I want to talk to you about joining the club. In fact, I don't want you to join the club. I want you to just kick the tires of the club for the next 30 days. And here's my promise to you, and my guarantee. Try Market Club for 30 days. If it's not everything we say it is, if you're not happy for whatever reason, we will refund every penny of your subscription. That's a guarantee from me, Adam Hewison. Hey, I want to welcome you to the club, Market Club.